lang sa scan eh.
Ano ba yun? Discard kami yung motor.
Huwag kang lalapit sa akin para hindi ayan. Yan ay tinuruan ko lang sila. Yan yung mga moves ko na tinuro sa kanila. Makikita nyo. O yan, tinuro ko sa kanila yan. Harap na harap ako paano ituro sa kanilang ganyan moves. Moves ko yan, ninakaw lang nila. O.
I'm informed by my disc jockey friends, of whom I have none, that in order to get a song popular by Christmas time,
Bumagsak.
start plugging it well in advance. So here goes.
3, go.
Spirit. So I should like to offer the following Christmas carol for next year that seems perhaps a bit more appropriate. Christmas time is here, by golly, and the Provo would be folly. Deck the halls with hunks of holly.
Ako yun, nagtuturo sa kanila.
Kill the turkey, ducks, and chickens. Mix the punch dry out the chicken. Even though the prospect's chicken, brother, here we go again.
O, next.
On Christmas Day, or a matching pen and pencil, just the thing I need. How nice. It doesn't matter how sincere it is,
Ulit.
how heart of the spirit. Sentiment will not hear it. What's important is the price. For the hair.
Yan po mga nag-aaral sa LSPU. Siniluan, campus.
Advertising wondrous things. God rest ye merry merchants, may ye make the Yuletide
Kaya
fade.
mama, J-Bird. Nakatagapid yun namin.
Angels
O, kakaiba yun. Tinatawag dyan, plus ni basta.
Maganda mamaya. Talagang ano, totoo.
Pare,
Talagang ito ba mama?
practice na ako.